So these all are the source basically of the creations basically. So one person told that how basically this everything is chained basically. One person told that how things are basically connected. How basically the source basically are Bollywood group basically how they displace this because this is very tough task no, basically. They have to understand in depth basically. Otherwise basically it might create problem basically to the Bollywood only basically because they are documenting this everything. So here one person told that yes basically. So they basically they might be created this also basically. Why? Because they have displayed Atma movies, Atma serials in the theater and in the movies basically. So they connected with this basically. That is the natural process basically. Natural process basically. Because whatever human souls basically which is generating basically in the world basically. Human souls basically. That is connected with this 2000 crore process basically. Which is generating 1 lakh types of natural item basically. So this everything is connected basically. This everything is connected. The new, for example, some new human souls basically get generated. Just taking example. So what is the source basically? Source is this natural item only basically. This is the source basically of human souls. So Bollywood basically 100% might be connected with this natural item process basically. That is 2000 crore basically process is happening in the land basically. That is 100% sure basically. Some group might be connected basically. Entire group basically might not be because each group basically might be divided because there are many directors basically. It's not like that basically there is only one director. It's many directors and many producers are also basically there. It's not like that basically there is only one group basically. It's many group basically in Bollywood basically. If one group basically gets in trouble, another group is there basically. If that group gets in trouble, another group is there basically. Like this Bollywood is created. So next video.